to my channel, Mary Born ND, and Gardening with Granny. Well, welcome to my June Sip and Chat. So, this has been a busy week. We started out with some appointments, then I made bread, and then we tackled the entrance mound. It was full of thistles, and I can't get up there and plant like I used to, so my husband and I whacked away with the trimmer and got it knocked down. It took the wind out of both of us. It was quite the job. Our weather here has been rainy and cool. In fact, today's the first day of summer and it's only like 60s, mid 60s. Next week it'll warm up a lot and I'm sure the plants will be a lot happier. So there hasn't been a much after doing the mound that we were able to get out in the garden and do. We've been doing a little bit with the green stalks, but as far as, yeah, it's been too cool and too wet to actually garden. So yesterday I had a fun trip with my good friend Brooke and her two little grandchildren. And we went to Migardener, and for some reason I never took my camera out. But I'll show you after the video what we got as far as what we purchased at Migardener. And then we visited, which I didn't realize how close it was. It's like 5 blocks away is the little coffee shop cafe that my granddaughter Jessica is a barista in. And so that was fun. She treated us to a lovely, you can't call it a donut, it's pastry with chocolate covered pistachio cream inside. It was very good, but the coffee was really what was the best. She knows I don't like a strong coffee, and so she made it just right. And I don't like a lot of creams and flavorings and stuff like that. I like coffee, and I usually get decaf, and oftentimes the decaf isn't that great, but she did a good job of it. So that was fun, and tomorrow we'll be celebrating Father's Day, and happy Father's Day to all who that applies to. So I hope that your week has been doing good. I just wanted to pop in and tell you about my week, and uh, the garden is doing great. And now that we will be getting some sunshine, I want to get out there and do a garden tour for you because my tomatoes are doing amazing, and peppers, and uh, I've even picked some small tomatoes off of my green stalk. And yeah, this is this is my favorite time of the year. In fact, it's been my favorite weather because I don't do 80s. When we had that really high temperature, I don't know, is it like a week and a half, 2 weeks, and it was miserable for me. But this is my kind of weather. So I hope you're enjoying your garden and your days and your family. Looking forward to being with my granddaughter Jessica again tomorrow for Father's Day, and my granddaughter Sarah. So hope you have a good week and get out in that garden. I get from Migardener. Absolutely love it. And we got a lavender. There we go. And some leeks and a couple of pepper plants and this beautiful variegated sage.